Hey, we're making pizza today. Jim's just left behind because she's taking her real sweet time. And we're already pretty much done with our first one.
Yeah, so
Trin
I'll show you how to
just
do it.
needs to-
First, you push it down. Oh my gosh, it's cold. You push it
Because
down.
you were taking forever. Ours were warm. And me and my brother made one. That's ours.
Okay, here we go. Then what do we do?
We put some sauce on there.
You know I got the sauce.
Okay, I guess you don't really need to measure it out because it depends on what you want.
Put 5 pieces of pepperoni on there.
I'm gonna make this one the Rosati's way by putting the pepperoni under.
Oh my
I love
gosh.
doing that.
This is crazy. I already
Here,
know
I'm
this
gonna
is
add
this is
more.
gonna be crazy. What if you just covered all the pepperoni
Oh my
with
god, I almost grabbed
sauce?
that.
You almost touched the thing, Trin?
It's-
What's wrong with you?
I almost grabbed the sauce. Okay, that should be good enough.
Don't forget your cheese. There's cheese right there. Right there.
Okay, then we're gonna grab some cheese.
That's a lot, Trin.
I like cheese. Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
You just put a
I'm
whole
gonna-
bunch. You know you could just sprinkle a little on there and then just spread it out with your hand. But oh,
That's mine. Now we're
compared
done.
to this one.
Okay, so you're flattening yours out. Here, flatten it over here. Oh, closer? Yeah, okay.
I'm just gonna make the whole thing probably filled with sauce and then nothing else.
Just the sauce? Okay.
If I did, I would probably be buzzing. I'll be like,
Yeah, because it's a lot. Okay.
I'm just gonna.
Don't mess up my pizza right there.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm not even close
That's
to
enough
it.
sauce.
I know.
I don't think you
Whoa.
I don't think you
That
mashed your pizza enough, but it's alright. That's enough.
He's just mixing it around.
I know, but it's falling off the edges. Leave it on there. Okay, alright.
Are you just going to make it a cheese one or what?
Oh yeah, you guys can make just cheese ones too.
Yeah, I'll do
usually
that.
eat just like cheese, but I think I'm gonna eat
Want some Italian seasoning on them?
Ooh.
Ew.
Oh, yeah. That's made it better. Look at that. Hmm.
Okay, let me just.
Yeah. This one is mine.
That's one.
Then I guess we'll take one of these two that Malachi made. You already made two, right?
Yeah, this is my second.
That's pretty good. Look at all this cheese I put on there, though.
I know
Come
you
on.
put so much
I love cheese.
without pepperoni. Oh, I
It's
forgot
in
I
the
said the bottom.
It's under it.
Can we make some more in the past? I mean, in the future. We're not going
In the
back
past?
to 1987.
I think. Do we have another pan?
No, this is enough for today.
Yeah, that's true.
6. I don't think I spreaded my thing enough.
Oh no.
Spread it around, come with your fingers.
Oh my gosh, there's really any on that one.
What cheese? Oh my god.
Every time I fart around you, I remember when you told me, my mom never farts.
And before she just farted right now.
She did.
You put a lot of sauce on there. I mean,
20 minutes.
20. Okay.
There we go.
20 minutes later.
Heck?
What?
happened?
Hey, they cooked.
They're way poofier than I thought they would be.
That's
know,
why I
right?
Don't fly. I tried to.
which one is whose? Oh, this one's definitely mine, obviously. Look at it.
That's
It's
mine.
This is his, but he just put all that on top of that one's yours over there.
Okay.
This and
That's Malachi's, Anthony's.
yeah.
This is, all these three are Anthony. No, these three are Anthony's. Yours two, Trin and Malachi. Take a pick. But they're all, woo!
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.